Yes, there are ceiling fans specifically designed for pergolas and outdoor use. These fans are made to withstand the harsh elements of the outdoors, including rain, wind, and ultraviolet rays. They also typically have features such as weather-resistant materials. The fan blades, motor, and housing are made of materials that can withstand moisture and corrosion. Another feature is an enclosed motor. The motor is enclosed to protect it from the elements. Sealed bearings is another feature. The bearings are sealed to keep out dirt and debris. Also, a corrosion-resistant finish. The fan has a corrosion-resistant finish to protect it from rust. When choosing a ceiling fan for a pergola, consider the following factors. Firstly, the size of the pergola. Choose a fan with a blade span that is appropriate for the size of your pergola. Secondly, the height of the pergola. Choose a fan that has a height that is appropriate for the height of your pergola. Thirdly, the style of the pergola. Choose a fan that matches the style of your pergola. Fourthly, the features. Consider the features that are important, such as speed settings, remote control, and lighting. Some brands that make ceiling fans specifically for pergolas and outdoor use include Hunter Fan Company, Casablanca Fan Company, Minka Air, Kitchener Lighting, and Hampton Bay. Once a fan is chosen, follow the manufacturer's instructions for installation. It is important to properly wire the fan and secure it to the pergola. Factors to consider include the location's typical weather conditions, particularly humidity and temperature range. High humidity can accelerate corrosion if the fan's materials aren't adequately resistant. Temperature extremes can affect the performance and lifespan of the motor and other components. Look for fans specifically rated for wet locations if the pergola is frequently exposed to rain or snow. If the pergola is in a coastal area, salt spray can be a major concern, so choose fans with superior corrosion resistance. Ensure the fan's electrical components are properly sealed and grounded to prevent electrical hazards. The fan should be connected to a ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, protected circuit. Check the fan's certifications to ensure it meets relevant safety standards such as Underwriters Laboratories, or ALL, listing for outdoor use. Proper mounting is crucial for safety and stability. The pergola's structure must be strong enough to support the weight and dynamic forces of the fan, especially during high winds. Use appropriate mounting hardware and techniques to securely attach the fan to the pergola's frame. Consider using a dowel rod of appropriate length to position the fan at the optimal height for airflow and clearance. Avoid mounting the fan too close to the roof or sides of the pergola, which can restrict airflow and increase the risk of damage. When wiring the fan, follow all applicable electrical codes and regulations. Use weatherproof wiring and connections to prevent moisture from entering the electrical system. Ensure the wiring is properly sized for the fan's current draw to prevent overheating and voltage drop. If unsure about any aspect of the installation, consult with a qualified electrician. In addition to the fan's features, consider its energy efficiency. Look for fans with Energy Star ratings or other certifications that indicate efficient operation. Efficient fans can save energy and reduce operating costs. Some fans also have features such as dimmable lighting or variable speed control, which can further enhance energy savings. Regular maintenance can extend the life of the fan and ensure its continued performance. Clean the fan blades regularly to remove dust and debris, which can reduce airflow and increase motor strain. Inspect the fan's wiring and connections periodically for any signs of damage or corrosion. Lubricate the motor bearings as needed to ensure smooth operation. If the fan has a remote control, replace the batteries as needed. When choosing a ceiling fan for a pergola, it's also important to consider the overall aesthetics. The fan should complement the style and design of the pergola. Choose a fan with a finish and blade design that matches the pergola's color scheme and architectural details. Some fans also have decorative features such as ornate housings or unique blade shapes. Consider the fan's lighting options. Some fans have integrated light kits that can provide ambient lighting or task lighting for the pergola. Choose a light kit with the appropriate brightness and color temperature for the intended use. LED lighting is a popular option due to its energy efficiency and long lifespan. Ensure the light kit is also rated for outdoor use and can withstand the elements. Think about the fan's control options. Some fans come with a pull chain, while others have a remote control or wall control. A remote control can be convenient for adjusting the fan speed and light settings from a distance. A wall control can be a good option if the fan is frequently used. Some fans also have smart home integration, allowing control via smartphone or voice assistant. Consider the fan's noise level. Some fans can be noisy, especially at higher speeds. Look for fans with quiet motors and well-balanced blades. Read reviews and check the manufacturer's specifications to get an idea of the fan's noise level. A quiet fan can enhance the enjoyment of the pergola space. It is important to be aware of local regulations regarding electrical installations in outdoor structures. Check with the local building department to ensure that the installation complies with all applicable codes and permits. Improper installation or non-compliance with regulations can result in fines or safety hazards. Consider the fan's warranty. A good warranty can provide peace of mind and protection against defects or failures. Read the warranty carefully to understand the coverage and any limitations. Some manufacturers offer extended warranties for an additional cost. When selecting a ceiling fan for a pergola, prioritize safety, durability, and performance. Choose a fan that is specifically designed for outdoor use and can withstand the elements. Ensure the fan is properly installed and maintained to ensure its safe and reliable operation. By considering these factors, the best ceiling fan can be chosen for the pergola. Ensure all electrical work complies with the National Electrical Code, or NEC. Article 410.16 covers luminaires in damp or wet locations. Specifically, 410.16 addresses damp locations and 410.16c addresses wet locations. The pergola environment dictates which requirements apply. For wiring, use appropriate conductors. For wet locations, use conductors with a W designation in their type, indicating suitability for wet environments. Examples include types THWN, TW, or XW. Conduit should be used for physical protection of the wiring. Rigid metal conduit, or RMC, intermediate metal conduit, or IMC, or Schedule 40 polyvinyl chloride, or PVC, are suitable choices for outdoor applications. Use weatherproof fittings and connectors to prevent moisture from entering the electrical system. Seal all conduit joints and connections with waterproof sealant. Grounding is crucial for safety. The fan must be properly grounded to prevent electrical shock. Connect the grounding conductor to a grounding electrode system, such as a ground rod or the building's grounding system. Use a ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, protected circuit to protect against ground faults. A GFCI will trip and de-energize the circuit if it detects the ground fault, reducing the risk of electrical shock. For mounting the fan, ensure the pergola structure can support the fan's weight and movement. Use a fan-rated junction box that is securely attached to the pergola's framing. The junction box must be listed for the weight of the fan. Use appropriate mounting hardware, such as like screws or bolts, to securely attach the fan to the junction box. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for mounting the fan. If a dowel rod is used, ensure it is the correct length for the pergola's height. The fan blade should be at least 7 feet above the floor. Inspect the installation after completion to ensure everything is properly installed and functioning correctly. Check the wiring for any loose connections or damage. Verify that the fan blades are rotating smoothly and without any obstructions. Test the fan speed settings and light to ensure they are working properly. Regularly inspect the fan for any signs of wear or damage. Check the blades for cracks or warping. Inspect the wiring for any signs of corrosion or damage. Tighten any loose screws or bolts. Clean the fan blades regularly to remove dust and debris. A ceiling fan in a pergola offers comfort by providing a cooling breeze. It helps to circulate air, making the space more comfortable, especially in hot weather. The fan can also help to keep insects away, as the moving air can deter mosquitoes and other flying pests. A ceiling fan can add to the aesthetic appeal of the pergola. Choose a fan that complements the style and design of the pergola. A well-chosen fan can enhance the overall look and feel of the outdoor space. Lighting is another benefit. Many ceiling fans come with integrated light kits, which can provide additional lighting for the pergola. This can be useful for evening gatherings or for providing ambient lighting. Consider the direction of the fan's rotation. In the summer, the fan should rotate counterclockwise to create a cooling breeze. In the winter, the fan can be reversed to rotate clockwise, which helps to circulate warm air that rises to the ceiling. This can help to reduce heating costs. Remote controls can be a convenient feature, allowing for adjustment of the fan speed and light settings from a distance. Some remote controls also have timers or other features that can further enhance the fan's functionality. Smart home integration is becoming increasingly common, allowing for control of the fan via a smartphone or voice assistant. This can be useful for automating the fan's operation or for controlling it remotely. Energy efficiency is an important consideration. Look for fans with the Energy Star ratings or other certifications that indicate efficient operation. Efficient fans can save energy and reduce operating costs. Regular maintenance is essential for ensuring the fan's continued performance and longevity. Clean the fan blades regularly, inspect the wiring and connections, and lubricate the motor bearings as needed. Safety should be the top priority when installing and using a ceiling fan. Follow all applicable electrical codes and regulations, use appropriate safety equipment, and inspect the fan regularly for any signs of wear or damage. If unsure about any aspect of the installation or operation, consult with a qualified electrician or contractor. Always turn off the power to the circuit before working on the fan. Use appropriate safety equipment, such as gloves and eye protection. Be careful when working at heights. Use a ladder or scaffolding that is in good condition and is properly set up. If the fan is not working properly, disconnect it from the power supply and contact a qualified electrician for assistance. Do not attempt to repair the fan yourself unless experienced in electrical work. In the National Electrical Code, Section 314.27 covers outlet boxes used for ceiling suspended fans. It specifies that boxes used for the support of ceiling fans must be listed for that application. This listing ensures the box is strong enough to support the weight and dynamic forces of the fan. Look for boxes marked suitable for ceiling fans. These boxes are designed to handle the specific stresses associated with fan installations. Do not use standard outlet boxes for ceiling fans, as they are not strong enough and can pose a safety hazard. Install the fan according to the manufacturer's instructions. The instructions will provide specific details on how to mount the fan, wire it, and adjust the blades. Following the instructions carefully is essential for ensuring a safe and reliable installation. Always use the hardware provided by the manufacturer. This hardware is specifically designed for use with the fan and will ensure secure connection. Do not substitute other hardware, as it may not be strong enough or compatible with the fan. When wiring the fan, ensure the connections are secure and properly insulated. Use wire connectors that are listed for the size and type of wire being used. Wrap the connections with electrical tape to provide additional insulation. Make sure the grounding conductor is properly connected to the grounding terminal in the outlet box and the fan. The grounding conductor should be green or bare copper. If the pergola has a metal frame, ensure it is properly grounded to the building's grounding system. This will help to prevent electrical shock in the event of a fault. Consider the type of pergola when choosing a fan. For example, a solid roof pergola will offer more protection from the elements than an open lattice pergola. Choose a fan that is appropriate for the level of protection provided by the pergola. If the pergola is located in an area with high winds, choose a fan with a wind rating. This rating indicates the maximum wind speed that the fan can withstand without being damaged. Some fans also have features such as breakaway blades, which are designed to detach in high winds to prevent damage to the fan and the pergola.